Hey guys, what is going on? So today, dude, we finally have the Apple Watch Series 4. If you guys have seen yesterday's video, you know all about me trying to cop this.
Apple Scottsdale Quarter. Your call may be recorded for quality assurance.
It's been a crazy journey, and I finally have it. And for everyone that's saying, yo, relax, like, it's just an Apple Watch. It was, like, honestly, just like a joke. I was just trying to make good content. So you're like, yo, relax. I understand that it's just a joke, it's just content, and I'm just trying to make it entertaining. So today we're gonna be unboxing the Apple Watch Series 4. This honestly got delivered a lot earlier than I thought it would. I don't have scissors though. I have keys. Okay, so we're gonna get this open, guys. This is not a satisfying opening. Oh my god. All right, guys, here we go. Yo, they packed this thing in there. All right, this time oh, I guess this was Best Buy. But they actually gave me a receipt for this one. Okay, thank you for that. I haven't opened an Apple Watch since the very first Apple Watch. Actually, that's not true. I opened the Series 3, but I didn't end up keeping that one. But dang, I did not notice this. For this one, there is a little flap as well. Pretty sure they changed that pretty recently. I don't know, I could be wrong, but here we go. Can we get a satisfying... Whoa, what the heck? That is weird. So, as you guys can see, they made the Apple Watch logo on the top, like, very indented. Like, it's super indented, unlike the other Apple Watches. I do like how this box is formatted, though. Wait, what are these things on? Dude, how do you even get this thing open? What are these flaps? I don't know what I'm doing. Do I just... Oh, there we go. Yikes. Wait, so there's that. This is a way different way than any other... Whoa, okay, so we get a little bit of interesting... What is going on? I've never seen it... Whoa! Okay, I like that a lot. You guys, this is way better than the iPhone XS box. I think this is a way better box format. Like, it just looks way better in my opinion. It's so simple. I don't know, I just really like the look about it. So as you guys can see, the Apple Watch right there on the front is like puffed out a bit so you can feel like the actual watch. But yeah guys, I do like this box a lot. It's kind of confusing though. I don't know why they made it like that, but here is the watch as well. It comes in its own little box, which is a pretty cool thing. And yeah guys, let's get this open, dude. I'm hyped. Okay. Heavy box. That is a beaut. Okay, so we got the paperwork right here. Pretty much just tells you how to use an Apple Watch, how to pair it. I know how to pair an Apple Watch, so I'm chilling with this information that I don't need this information. So there you go with that. A charging brick right there, standard, and also a charging cable. I remember, if you guys remember the first Apple Watch, it was so long. It was like 15 feet long, dude. It was super long. Maybe not 15 feet, but it was way too long. Here is the Apple Watch right here, dude. It's in its nice little protective case right there. That is a nice touch. How do I get it open though? And it's turning on automatically. So as you guys can see, dude, that looks unbelievable, dude. But yeah guys, there it is. I'm gonna get, oh my gosh, it looks so freaking good, dude. Yo, I'm speechless. I don't even know what to say. This thing is absolutely a beauty. Looks way better in real life than actual pictures and like videos. I don't know. It's honestly my first impressions of this, dude. Probably the best Apple Watch that I've ever seen. The best design, the best color choice. The gold makes it look so good. Definitely recommend the gold color if you're going for the Apple Watch, 100%. I hope you guys have your Apple Watches in the mail or they're coming in soon. Oh yeah guys, also I appreciate everyone. We've been growing a lot lately. I've been on the daily grind uploading videos like pretty much every single day for the past like 2 weeks or something like that. So thank you for everyone that's subscribed and that are leaving likes. If you guys like this video, please drop a like and subscribe guys. It really helps out the channel. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.